Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel! I'm Dewey, your go-to water drop. We're gonna have so much fun exploring together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you soon!
Tables in MS Word. Inserting a table. Double-click on the Word document. Go for Insert option. Click on Table. Select how many rows and how many columns you want to add. Automatically, the columns and rows, whichever you are selected, it will appear on the document. Entering data in a table. Select the cell where you want to enter the data or text. As soon as the cursor blinks, you can start typing the text into the cell. Here I am typing the student's ID, student name, roll number, total marks and grades. This is just an example showing you all how to insert the text into the cell. Selecting cells, rows, columns and table. Click on the edge of the borders to select your desired columns or rows. Inserting rows and columns. Select the rows where you want to insert another row. Go for Table Tools. Click on Insert. Here you will be having so many options like rows above, below. So I have selected rows below. Similarly for column, select the column where you want to insert another column. So I'm selecting column to the right. You can select the column to the left also. Deleting rows and columns. Select the row. Go to Table Tools. Go for Delete option. Click on Delete Rows to delete the row. To delete the column, select the column which you want to delete, Table Tools, and then delete and click on Delete Columns. Changing column width and row height. Select the desired column or rows. Go for Table Tools and select the height and width of the rows and columns. You can increase and also decrease the height and width of rows and columns. Merging cells. Select the 2 or more cells which you want to merge. Go for table tools and click on merge cells. So both the cells will be merged into one large cell. You can enter the text and format the text also. Splitting cells. Select the desired column and rows which you want to split. Go for table tools. Click on split option which is next to merge cells. Here you can select number of columns, number of rows, and here I am not selecting merge cells before split, and click on OK. So you can see the cells are splitted into 2. Moving and resizing tables. Select the entire table. Use the left top corner symbol to move the tables from one place to another. Just press and drag the left top corner symbol so that the table will be moved from one place to another. Use the right bottom symbol to increase and decrease the size of the table. You have to press and drag the symbol so that the size of the table will be changed. Applying border and shading. Select the table. You can see so many options are available. In these options, you have to click on borders. I'm showing what are the options available over here. You can align the text to the left, line spacing, insert rows and columns. So now I will be selecting the borders, and there you have to select borders and shading. Here you can select your desired design. You can see the preview over here. So select whichever line design you need and select table over here. You can select the color of the border you need. I'm selecting the red color, and you can select the thickness of the line also and click on OK. So the border color has been changed. Changing table style. Select the table, go for table tools. So here you can select your desired table style. So all the colors table styles are available. You can select your desired one. So here I've selected blue table style. So this is how it looks. Aligning text in a table. Select the rows or columns of the text which you want to align. Go for home, and here you can see the alignments. So I'm showing you the left alignment, right alignment, and center one. I will be retaining the center alignment for all the columns.
Thanks for watching! Like and share this video! Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more fun!